what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brocco Fast. As you can see here, the ZL1 1LE just chilling in the garage, but I was excited. I got some new parts already for it. I don't know if you saw the other video. I got parts before I got it. Now I got parts now that I have it. More are coming on the way. But one of my first things after I got that carbon fiber piece was to contact ZL1 and ZL1 add-ons and get some of the parts from them, because I know there was a couple things that I'm gonna want, and they came today. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, join the team. We're gonna have a lot of fun here. So anyhow, let's get to it today and let's see what ZL1 sent my way. All right, let's take a look at that while I'm opening this box, because that's way better to look at. I love the fact that this, you know, the Chevy symbol's just a little, I mean, that's awesome. Just to save weight, that's why they did it. All right, so there we go. I'm sure y'all know when you hear ZL1 add-ons what is going to be in the box. There's just a couple things you just gotta have for this car, especially if you're gonna go to the track. Boom. All right, so I went with the stealth pads in black. The red is really cool, but to be honest, I don't want these things ever to be like seen. And I don't know, I just didn't want like a big thing under there, but bam. I went with the stealth pads because I really like the fact that they're a little bit lighter. These are so well done. They look great. And they're just gonna go boop, right under there. So these are gonna be awesome. I'll do a video installing these and using these, but these came out really nicely. Guess we could have just, kind of done that ZL1 add-on. So let's go. All right, next in the box, we got more goodies. I wonder what this is. All Camaro people going, yep, I know what that is. Let's see. Woohoo! All right, I guess I have it upside down, that's more fun that way. Now, I am curious, this box doesn't say ZL1 add-ons, but we have here the tow hook for the Camaro. And it's in the special edition Wrinkle Red, which I really liked. Man, that's cool. Let's get this out of the box just so we can see it. Check that out. I really like that color. That's that wrinkle red instead of the shininess. So that is going to look real good right there. And the best part about it is I can install it right now. Best thing about buying a factory race car, she's ready to go all the time. Awesome. Awesome. New parts for the Camaro. So we'll get installing this here in just a second. So, with this, I don't know if you guys can see, boom, you see that right there? That is the hole for the tow hook. Factory ready to go. This is going to just insert that in to there, boom, 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 and we're gonna get this bad boy installed. Super easy. I can tell you with the Mustang, the Shelby was a nightmare putting a tow hook. I looked at tow hooks and everything. You had to take the bumper off. You had to cut through the grill just to get a tow hook in there. It was like, really, all this for a tow hook? I mean, it looks great. If you're gonna track the car, you probably should get one, but I mean, come on. Look what Chevy just did. Made it a 2-second ordeal because they already know this car is a track car. Oh, smart. Weird. Sorry, guys. Let's install this bad boy. Catch. You know what? Maybe it's not that easy. Threads look good. Probably can see half my face right here. Just gotta get the threads to catch. Things always seem to go a little more difficult for me when it comes to install. I don't know why. There we go. Ooh, that looks really good. Question is, can we go? No, we can't. That bad boy is in there. Bam. Now it sits a little wonky now that I did that. So, oh, there we go. There we go. There's some adjustment. Oh, let's get it nice and tight there. We use that ball fitting. Oh, what? Oh yeah, that looks good. How good does that look? Oh. You know, and that red, being that like cherry red, it really just kind of, it doesn't pop like crazy. It just looks good. Love it. That's always what this grill just needs. Just that little bit. And it just matches that ZL1 red. Cool. Love it. So there you have it, guys. Something super easy to do. We'll put it right down here so we can, oh, let's look at this bad boy. Super easy to do. Tow hook looks great. Pretty pumped about this. I'm excited to just keep modding this car. I've got Corsa Extreme Plus catback on the way. She's already seen. The car smiles because it hears these things. Got the Corsa Extreme Plus on the way, catback. Can't wait to get that. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, but we'll see. Got some other parts I'm going to install. So hope you enjoy the journey here. Hope you have some fun, and I'm looking forward to just getting this car more into beast mode and just kind of making it mine. And yeah, this kind of an easy one that we can do in 5 minutes in the garage. So again, hit the subscribe button, hit like, share, comment down below. Curious if you have one of these too as well, because you see these a lot, and it just does something to the car for me. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching today. Brock, go fast.